Hey guys, it's me, Caroline, coming to you from MC Beaters, and I just wanted to show you, I finished up making my chapsticks. I was going to make them peppermint, however, I ran out of peppermint scent, so I made them vanilla. And I got these labels on Amazon, and it comes with 50 labels, and people can give their little chapsticks away as gifts, and just put like to from here, and it comes with the top. I absolutely love these. They are adorable. They smell wonderfully. I only messed up one. So I have a few more still to make and put labels on. I also, I'm gonna bring you over here, made peppermint soaps. And I have them bagged and everything. And I did, well actually I'm calling them candy cane soaps. So I put peppermint scent in it, and I used red and white glycerin and soy soap. And I vacuum sealed them, or whatever you call that, shrink wrap them, and put my little label on them, and I'm going to give them with a candy cane, so that this way, and that's it. I'm not making any more soaps. This is for the craft fair that Marianne and I have coming up. So this, and I might even possibly make some homemade candles. Alright guys, hoping you guys are all having a nice, warm, and cozy Sunday. Bye.